The all-new Maserati Levante 2026 is a masterclass in Italian luxury and performance, and its redesigned metallic gray exterior immediately commands attention. From the front, the SUV showcases a bold and aggressive grille featuring the iconic Maserati Trident emblem, flanked by sharp, sleek LED headlights that give a Levante a distinctive, commanding look. The aerodynamic body lines flow seamlessly from the hood to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The metallic gray finish reflects light beautifully, accentuating the sculpted curves and muscular stance of the SUV. Premium alloy wheels and subtle chrome accents add a refined touch, perfectly balancing sportiness and elegance. Moving to the rear, the Levante exudes sophistication with its slim LED taillights, dual exhaust system, and well-integrated rear diffuser. Every detail has been crafted to provide both aesthetic appeal and aerodynamic efficiency. The clean white studio-style backgrounds often highlight these design elements, making the Levante look like a work of art in motion. Step inside, and the Levante transforms into a sanctuary of luxury. The front cabin is designed with the driver and passenger in mind, featuring plush leather seats, a modern digital infotainment system, and ambient LED lighting that creates a serene yet high-tech atmosphere. The steering wheel, adorned with the Maserati Trident emblem, offers a perfect grip, giving the driver full control while exuding luxury. Every control is thoughtfully placed, from the touchscreen display to the gear selector, ensuring a seamless driving experience. The rear seats continue the theme of opulence. Passengers enjoy spacious legroom, quilted leather upholstery, and a center console with cup holders and climate controls, making long journeys effortless and comfortable. Ambient lighting adds a subtle glow, enhancing the sense of luxury. The panoramic sunroof brings the outside in, filling the cabin with natural light and creating a sense of openness. Performance is as refined as the design. The Levante combines Maserati's signature power and agility, delivering a driving experience that is both thrilling and composed. Every curve, acceleration, and brake is met with precise engineering, making it a true driver's SUV. From drone views to full car shots, the Levante's presence is undeniable. Its balance of elegance, power, and attention to detail makes it more than a vehicle. It's a statement. Whether viewed from the front, rear, side, or even top-down perspectives, every angle emphasizes the craftsmanship and luxurious character that Maserati is known for. In essence, the all-new Maserati Levante 2026 is a perfect blend of high-performance engineering and Italian luxury design. From its striking metallic gray exterior to its sumptuous interior and advanced features, it offers an unmatched SUV experience. Every detail, every line, every material has been designed to ensure that the Levante isn't just driven, it's experienced.